All right, last story of the day. I don't know if you know about this. You're a gaming guy. Did you ever play the GTA stuff? You must have at some point. Oh,
Of
you
course,
you and I
yeah.
played GTA stuff on King Street in the very old days.
Yeah. Yeah.
GTA 5?
Was it 5? I think it was
4.
5.
Well, who knows, man?
Wait, was it the New York one or the
I don't
LA looking
I
one?
don't remember. Many years ago, you and I played GTA 5 like the day it came out on King Street.
Yeah. I think it was 5. Yeah.
Anyway, it might have been 5. But everybody's played GTA at some point in their lives. There's this guy, this guy that used to work at Rockstar, right? Mm-hmm. Rockstar makes.
They made GTA.
He's now raised $40.8 million to create his next game. All right. And this next game is called Everywhere. It is a sci-fi open world game. And this thing sounds so ambitious. Listen to this. Can I say something? Can I read something to you here? Benzies worked on the Grand Theft Auto series at Rockstar North until 2016. They got into a dispute, by the way, and he claimed that they owed him $150 million. They settled. I don't know for how much, but presumably the guy's got cash, including the $40 million he just raised. Now, the ambitious part is what he wants to do with this cash. Everywhere has a lot of traditional game mechanics, but we're going for something more that draws inspiration from, well, everywhere. Everywhere?
Yeah.
Everywhere. What's your game about? Everywhere. No. What's it about? Everything. Where does it take place? Everywhere. What can I do in it? Anything. Whoa. Here's the next quote. Players are getting smarter and require more from their games. And we want players to have the real freedom to live in our worlds in the ways they want to. We're aiming to offer a huge variety of game modes and styles that not only tell our stories, but also enable players to live in the identities and adventures they most want to explore.
Wow. Reminds me of one of those directors like Sid Meier. They created Spore. Remember that game Spore?
Oh, yeah.
It didn't go well, but
It was
very ambitious.
Ambitious.
Yeah.
Yes. But I think the reason this matters is because it's not from no one.
Yeah.
It's ambition, but from someone who's kind of executed it in the past. GTA, very popular game series, open world, kind of really did the open world thing.
Yeah.
And for you to take that know-how and apply it to, it's like GTA, except you can do anything. Or it's like GTA, but you can go anywhere. Or it's inspired by everything. And all of a sudden you're like, whoa.
So is he building the Matrix?
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly. It's an alternative
atoms.
world. It's like the original. What was the promise of that game? What was the game? It's an alternate
No
world.
Man's Sky.
No. But no, way before that. It's like an alternate reality that you can live in.
Alternate reality.
Second Life.
Oh yeah, the MMO.
Yeah, Second Life.
Yeah.
It's like that, but if you apply GTA gameplay to it.
Yeah.
You have your whole, because people did that in GTA anyways, right? They had their house and their cars and whatever else. And if you expand on that and you open up the possibilities, and look, he has to execute it. And it's so hard to build these things, obviously. But the ambition, the description of the ambition at the moment sounds really intense. And interesting to me.
Yeah.
The game hasn't been seen in a little while, and the current state of the title is unclear. But this new round of funding, it's obvious everywhere, is at least still in active development. So this $40 million isn't all the money they've raised. It's just the most recent round of funding. So presumably they got a war chest. They got cash, Will. But it gets you to thinking, they spent $100 million on some movie. What does it take to build this game that he's talking about?
Yeah. I would imagine it would take a lot of scientists. Something to do with systems or like algorithms. Like No Man's Sky had some sort of like data everything with it because it had to build worlds in a sense, right? So yeah, it would be.
So you're
kind
telling
of
me it's
interesting.
expensive?
Oh yeah,
Those
it's like a
scientists, they're
Elon Musk kind of project.
Anyway, we'll keep an eye out for it. It's called Everywhere, and it's probably not coming out very soon. However, interesting stuff.